Demolition is the destruction of a building, bridge, or any structure. Structures are usually broken down by machines, but very large or tall structures are demolished automatically. In today's episode, we will look at 10 structures that were destroyed automatically. Ironbridge Power Station is located in the United Kingdom and was decommissioned in 2015. The demolition process involved the use of explosives to bring down the two 120-meter cooling towers and other structures on the site. The controlled explosion was carried out by a specialist demolition company and required careful planning and execution to ensure the safety of workers and the public. The J.L. Hudson department store was a historic landmark in downtown Detroit, in the United States. It was the tallest department store in the world at the time of its construction. In 1998, plans were announced to demolish the building, and the demolition process began in 1998, and was completed in 1999. The Savannah River site is a nuclear reservation located in South Carolina. It was used to produce nuclear materials for the United States Department of Energy from the 1950s until the early 1990s. In recent years, the site has been undergoing a major cleanup effort, which includes the demolition of many of the aging and contaminated facilities on the site. The demolition process at the Savannah River site is complex, and requires specialized equipment and techniques to safely remove and dispose of the materials. Marysville Power Plant was a coal-fired power plant located in Marysville, USA. The Marysville Power Plant was owned and operated by Detroit Edison, and it began operations in 1922. The demolition of the Marysville Power Plant began in 2017, and was completed in 2018. Storms Hall is also known as Snap Hall or Sweeney Hall. However, due to its age and outdated facilities, the building was closed in 2015 and was later scheduled for demolition. The demolition of Storms Hall began in May 2021 and was completed in June 2021. The Texas Stadium was a football stadium located in Irving, Texas, and was home to the Dallas Cowboys from 1971 to 2008. The stadium was known for its unique shape, which resembled a large domed cake pan, and had a seating capacity of over 65,000. In 2010, the Texas Stadium was demolished to make way for a new development. The demolition process involved the use of controlled explosions to bring down the structure. The Fort Steuben Bridge was a steel truss bridge that connected the cities of Steubenville, Ohio, and Weirton, West Virginia over the Ohio River. The bridge was constructed in 1928 and was in use for over 80 years. However, due to structural deficiencies and safety concerns, the bridge was closed in 2009 and later demolished. The Munmora Power Station was a coal-fired power plant located in New South Wales, Australia. The power station operated from 1967 to 2012, and had a total capacity of 1,400 megawatts. The demolition of the Munmora Power Station began in 2018, and it involved the removal of more than 40,000 tons of concrete and steel. Honchi Canal development in Haikou, China, is also known as the Red Flag Canal development. This was a large-scale construction project in Haikou that involved the building of a series of high-rise buildings, including the Hong Development Building. The demolition of the Hong Development Building began in 2020 and was completed in 2021. The Red Road Flats were a group of high-rise apartment buildings in Glasgow, Scotland. The flats were constructed in the 1960s, and were once the tallest residential buildings in Europe. In 2006, the Glasgow Housing Association announced plans to demolish 5 of the 6 tower blocks, with the remaining block being refurbished.
Ich komm nicht mit!